Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius G. If you are new on this channel, then please like and subscribe. Structure of cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is divided into two hemispheres, the left and the right hemisphere. The two hemispheres are connected by a thick bundle of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum. Each hemisphere is divided into four main lobes. Frontal lobe responsible for voluntary movement, emotional control, and decision-making. Parietal lobe responsible for processing sensations such as touch, temperature, and pain. Temporal lobe responsible for interpreting sounds and processing visual information. Occipital lobe responsible for processing visual information. The outer layer of the cerebrum, known as the cerebral cortex, is highly folded and convoluted. These folds, called sulci and gyri, increase the surface area of the cortex, allowing for a greater number of neurons and more information processing to occur. The cerebrum also contains several subcortical structures, including the thalamus, hypothalamus, basal ganglia, and limbic system, that are responsible for various functions such as relaying sensory information, regulating emotions, and controlling movements. Functon of cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for a wide range of functions, including sensory processing. The cerebrum receives and processes sensory information from the body, such as touch, smell, taste, sight, and sound. Motor control. The cerebrum controls voluntary movements of the body, such as walking, talking, and using the hands. Memory. The cerebrum is responsible for creating and storing short-term and long-term memories. Language and communication. Language and communication involve multiple areas of the cerebrum, including the ability to produce and understand language. Emotion and behavior. The cerebrum is involved in regulating emotions, such as happiness, fear, and anger, as well as controlling behavior and decision-making. Thinking and problem-solving. The cerebrum is responsible for higher cognitive functions, such as thinking, problem-solving, decision-making, and creativity. Overall, the cerebrum plays a critical role in many aspects of human behavior and cognition, making it one of the most important parts of the brain. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share.